Hello students, welcome to question hour session of Ajmal IS Academy. Here we will be discussing 5 MCQs from the daily newspaper The Hindu and Indian Express. So let's start the session. Our first question is regarding Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam. Statement 1 says it was passed through the 105th Constitution Amendment Act 2023. This is an incorrect statement as it was passed through 106th Constitution Amendment Act. Statement 2 says it provides for reservation of 1/3 of seats for women in Lok Sabha and state assemblies. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says it also include reservation between SC/ST reserved seats. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 2 and 3, that is C. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is regarding Nationally Determined Contribution, NDCs. Statement 1 says NDCs are legally binding emission reduction target under the Paris Agreement. This is an incorrect statement as they are not legally binding. Statement 2 says countries commit to mitigation and climate action target through NDCs. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says NDCs are updated periodically under the Paris Agreement framework. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 2 and 3, that is B. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is regarding pressurized heavy water reactors. Statement 1 says PHWRs use heavy water as both moderator and coolant. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says they require enriched uranium as fuel. This is an incorrect statement as they use natural uranium as fuel, not enriched uranium. Statement 3 says PHWRs are indigenously developed in India. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 1 and 3, that is B. Let's move on to the fourth question. The fourth question is regarding the Artemis 2 mission. Statement 1 says it follows a circular lunar orbit to maintain a fixed distance from the lunar surface. That is an incorrect statement as it follows a elliptical free return trajectory. Statement 2 says Artemis 2 traveled farthest from Earth than any previous human mission. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says it aims to test the Orion spacecraft's ability to support human life. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 2 and 3, that is B. Let's move on to the fifth and final question. The fifth and final question is regarding India's 3-stage nuclear program. Statement 1 says the first stage used pressurized heavy water reactors. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says the second stage used fast breeder reactor. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says the third stage focus on thorium utilization. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes D, that is 1, 2 and 3. That's all for today, and you can find all this question in our social media platform. Thank you.